mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. At the city back looking like 8 and 9. All the homies on the south side up in the Ritz. Tuesday night, the Velvet Room, same old, cause down Wednesday. Strokers, I don't go no more, cause they don't know how to treat you when you come through the door. Thursday night was plush, but we moved with fuel, and I'll be up in the booth, drunk, acting the fool. Friday night at Kaya, they still got love, and the shark bar be popping like it's a nightclub. Saturday, still up the easy, cause she's it. You can find me up in one Tweezy. Sunday, getting me some sleep, please. I'm on my way to the deck to hit jazz and teens. Hi, welcome to Atlanta Remix Day, where we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit street, deep gangsters roaming. Your party don't stop till 8 in the morning.
To Atlanta, jacking hammers and bows. Back to the Mackin' and jacking the clothes. Adolescents packing the foe. I knock on the door. Who is it? I happen to know the one with the flow. Who did it? It was me, I suppose. JD in the robes and Luda's in the cut supreme. Skating down those nets. Cuts and lean. I split the spleen. As a matter of fact, I split the team. No blood on the sneaks. Gotta keep it so my kicks is clean. I get the cream. Cops see me flick my beams. I'm allergic to Dr. Crab and a histamine. Oink, oink, pig, pig. Do away with the pork. Only Stillborn needs a steak knife and a fork. Did you forget the manners? I'm Bruce Bananas. Ludacris, Johnny Rockets when I shoot the cannon. The woolly mammoth saber tooth. Bite your tongue. I won't stop until I'm rich as the white will come. I pull up in a black Lotus. Your plaques are bogus, so I strip them off the wall. Waiting for my shooter corner pocket 8-ball. You backing them up. I'm big paper like pancakes, stacking them up. In fact, I'm slapping them up. Cadillac in the truck. I can't lose with 22. That's what's up. Running in the factor. Better than this, the aqueduct. Welcome to Atlanta Remix. Hey, where we ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, the gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta Remix. Hey, where they ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, the gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning. Your body don't start till I walk in, and I usually don't leave until the thing ends. But in the meantime, in between time, you walk your thing, I walk mine. I've been putting it down here since '83, since the Lake Show MP rivalry. When Frozen Bad Ice was the place to be. You was riding, you was bumping the homie Sharp D. I'm the MVP, most violent player. Make my own rules. I'm the mayor. Monday night, Gentleman's Club. Tuesday night, I'm up in the Velvet Room, getting stuff. Wednesday, I'm at Strokers on lean. Thursday, jump clean, and I fall up in cream. Friday, Sharp Bar Kaya with Frank Ski. Right on the flow is where you can find me. Saturday, it's something easy for sheezy. You can find me up in one Tweezy. Sunday, is when I get my sleep in. Cause on there we'll be out again. Holla. Welcome to Atlanta, where the where the ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta, where the players play. Where the ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta Remix. Hey, where the ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta Remix. Hey, yeah, we ride on the things like every day. Big beats, hit streets, gangsters roaming. Your body don't stop till 8 in the morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta, from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
on the morning drive.
103.5 Ebola DFM.
rocking. Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
A state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass empty. The state where you never find a dance floor empty.
And 50
On a mission for them screens.
bling bling, money making machines of the thing.
I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes.
Ever since hundreds was parents iTunes.
Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining. Looking like I'm Rob Liberace.
It's all good.
From Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb.
The city make the range.
Strong a finger
Can it see the same way?
straight putting it down.
California, hey. California. California, West Coast. You see that? See your name in the city. California. In the city of Compton. We keep it rocking. Keep it rocking. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Shake it, Carly. Shake it, Carly. Shake it, Carly. California dreaming.
Soon as I step on the scene,
The neighbor city's fiending for money and alcohol. Life of the west side. It's all war.
only in Cali where we buy it, not rally to live and die. In LA we wear chucks, not valley.
Let's ride.
They love the khaki suits and ride is what we do. Flossing with half caution, we collide with other crews. Famous because we program. Worldwide, let them recognize for Long Beach, the road plan. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam.
It's west side.
You know the road will bow down to no man.
What will you say? Give me that boom beat from Dread. Let me settle in the street of LA. Open down. Somebody carry in the back down.
Cali is where they put they back down.
Give me love.
That's right. Gonna make it shake. Shake it, Cali. Shake it, Cali. West Coast. Yeah. Long Beach in the house.
Yes, metal in the house too. Yatago.
Oak Sound.
Yes, classic is also here.
Definitely in the house.
Yes, what we are coming up with this morning. We're able to love you. Obulunke California. Yaka id we to that no to all the way.
Where you at? Yeah, Inglewood. Inglewood always up to no good.
Yes, engage opportunity. We make a shout out to Chinedu Akpo. Onye no na California kita afọ. I just feel one I love. Yatago from California. I'm telling you, I'm on an account to get better all the way from California. And with that, we want to say, a very big thank you to the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords who made it possible for us to see this beautiful day, for us to share this love. No to go. Yatago.
That's right. West Coast. West Coast. California love. California love.
Yes, everyone tegodo click ụmụaka m gasị na Lagos on a very good day. Onwa ka ha si wee gbarata Easter, you go for Christmas or anything celebration abịa, maybe Iwaji or one of those things. If papa na very bold, na-ekwupụ obifa all the time. If you're on week or junior, what is it? Junior, what is wrong with you? Also, auntie, please, I don't like the biabia in your, in your jaws. Your biabia, please cut it. Look like a lady, auntie. Obola belly face up. Fold it right back it up. Ụmụaka na-ekwu ife ya bụ ụmụaka nọ na this side kwuo ya on a very good day. Ife ebe na-akwa isi na anya na-akwa isi n'elu motorcycle nya moto like ebe machine park ifu ka na-akwa isi n'elu dị n'elu seat ya. Mana nwa kụziri Junior kwulie on a very good day ma mmetụ nwunye aka papia ji ego ọbụla obelefe is unfolding right about Kitafo, and this is how we are balling into this particular edition of Birthday Splash. Ọkwanụ ụmụ nwa ka a na-akpọ metal. Yes, I have to go down. Cause this is close to n'ụtụtụ afọ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. It's another year, but in my life you are the best. I will love you forever.
My name and all the splash of joy, splash of happiness, a splash of gene bagam in somebody's account this morning. Kiwa Malukose Adigodo and on there better in there testify. Just the way to testify about the one, the good Lord, the man of Tutu Ayotago. Yeah, somewhere on them argument spoke with something and those say an answer. Yeah, on your bona kwechili asia bros he who is butase. Also here na call when black people were two voices. And how were polite voice and aggressive voice. What's not polite voice when Kehaji socialize? You're talking Kehaji meet people, Kehaji, Ekan them Madonas and Nakeduko no man. Then, of course, all the hostile boys, Bunkeji Tikasi Obodo on a very good day. So, one of the people who now make the argument, was say, can he example, just like your mother now. Your mother were two voices. Or say, my mother, say, yes, take enough money. We to Mama game were voice in KJ pet mother. When Koja said, Bianwa, what taking a dark at we again make it. A man on with two voices. As I can say classic. Anyway, all the go are there. I want to see Kendi get celebrated today because you have to go today we go do birthday. So we need to celebrate them right about it. Remember that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Join us on Facebook as we are live at Ebona the 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video right there. You have to go and it's celebration galore up in here right about it. Stream Zai online. mixlr.com/gistfm. You check is there out on Amazon.com. You can phone and there with a book called Hip Hop and Igbo Culture. It's a proof that there's nothing we cannot do as people, as Igbo people, as in Nigeria on a very good day. So check it out, Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Quick is here. All level like we're saying, operated from.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
I'm gonna write about phone rock. I'm gonna today but the birthday of Lorenzo Zuruzolo, 24, a TV actor. Yotago today but his birthday. He was born today, the 21st day of March, and we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. It's unfolding right about it. Yes, yeah, man, you celebrate birthday. You have to go celebrate anniversary, not just birthday itself. We only fire they celebrate here. Any good thing, man, and we are here to celebrate with you. For example, Madu Jibuku na Bokolo Manaketa for you have to go opposite no GLK or MLK, whichever one. You have to go. We are here to celebrate with you. One can go again today, but birthday today is the birthday of Ronaldinho, you know, all the 44 years as of today. Yeah, man, on a very good day. On a game, you have to go. You have Barcelona that year. A situation whereby you go on a field, the vendors or the Kahadali will go on the field. Here for the vendor, which you are person on your Ronaldinho or manga fair bata. If I got bad defender, we did somewhere. A genius good. So we celebrate him. He was born today, the 21st day of March. You have to go. I say happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's unfolding right about it up. Yes, today is also the birthday of Gary Oldman, 66-year-old movie actor in America. So we celebrate him today. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Today is also the birthday of Tini, 27-year-old pop singer. Today is birthday, so we say happy birthday to her. Happy birthday on our pound food. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Right up, man. Ofune okuno onya wakasi ogonogo. Ndị ọzọ wejo ọbụgoro anyị ne kabukwa birthday to him, birthday to him. Today, the 24th basketball player born to the 4th 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 basketball player born today, the 24th day of March. So we say go Koge said that. Canteen, you have to go Ogui in a canteen. Let's get ready to rumble. oti kpoju ala na-eme argument ebe emekwa argument nke wee bụrụ na ama ọkpara motorcycle gbafe onye ọzọ kpọọ ya motorcycle nke ọzọ si a na-asị not motorcycle. It is happening around us. Yes, ihe kasị wee chaa onye ọbụla baa today bụ na Nigeria today na-use social media ka ọ na hapụ iru mmadụ